myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded.
This is my business, and this is yours.
Of course, my phone would die in the airport, but I just checked in my hotel, and I have about 30 minutes wiggle room, so I'm going to use that time to go to the gym, come back, shower, and get ready for showtime. I got to go to my client hotel and meet up with her. Y'all, why I get in the Uber and this Uber smell like straight cigarettes? Like, lady, what you not gonna do is talk me to death. Just drop me off, roll the windows down, better yet, let me get out. So my client ended up going with the jet black look, bust down the middle with cramps. So this is me dyeing the hair in the hotel, making sure it get no black dye on this white countertop. Yes, I dye hair in the hotel last minute. Before we hit the stage, you know we gotta get content. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, but the cramps was cramping. Like, baby girl was slayed, like, oh, yeah. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the show, because I don't want to talk too much, but y'all see how the cramps blowing in the wind? And the wig still laid, like real flat. It's that lace with adhesive. It's the grill, I'm telling y'all. But let's get into my favorite part. Yeah, as soon as I thought work was over, they had to go back on stage. Yeah, that crowd was so loud. The stage was trembling. Like, I can't even explain it. But it was time for us to go back and lay down. We had a party catch in the morning, and I was extremely tired. So as soon as I got back home, it's straight to the orders. I had orders lined up. I was promoting my glue the whole time on the road. So I finally got done with my orders. Majority of them was wig orders. From my wig deal I have every month, but some were glue, and I had to get straight to my clients. Can't forget my clients. They booked in advance, so they was waiting on me to get back. And if y'all about to ask me when do I get sleep, I barely get sleep. Then right after, I'm going straight to the gym. The crazy part is, you would think I want to lay my ass down, but I got invited to go out, so I have to have a social life.
One of us can't fuck, I didn't
Y'all, don't even ask me how I got that much energy, and I literally just had got in the house at like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. And I basically took a nap because I woke up at like 10 and came straight to the gym. So since I did not go to the gym that night, I have to basically do an extra 30 minutes in the gym that morning to make up for last night, if that makes sense. I have to keep this routine going, y'all. When you look good, you feel good. Discipline for sure. Then it's back to work. Y'all, I have to basically dye this wig black because we didn't have any black wigs in stock. And I had to do what I had to do. From blonde to black, nobody believed me, but here's a video of me dyeing this wig from blonde to black. And mind you, my flight is at 5 o'clock in the morning. I have to leave my house at 2 to get to the airport by 3 to catch the flight by 5. So yeah.
You know I love this motherfucking street. Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out Pazelle. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see you with stack just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, every time I pop out, I call and they drop the low. Drop that fucking location, cause I got hoes. Just be your bitch.
Let me get a drink when I get back to the hotel room. So me and Tori, the photographer, we walk in the hotel restaurant and there's a lady at the bar with this drink that was on fire. And I was like, I need to get that. Like, I just need that for aesthetic. Like, I don't even care what's in it. Y'all, this one shot had me tipsy, like, quick, like, straight to the punch. And mind you, I think this shot was like $30, $40. When the bill came, I was sick. Because I was like, what?
I want to tip this ago.
Man, that y'all, I ordered chicken. I got this plate. I said, well, where's the rest? At this point, sir, can I have a drink to go and just bring the check? Because at this point, we finna link up with the other team, y'all. So we finally link up with Tevin and Bougie, which is JT squad. And y'all, man, we done found this hotel that's across the street. They got a bar underneath the hotel, like, hole in the wall. Soon as we took our shots, they literally got a call to go back to work. And I was like, damn. Alright, I know y'all looking like, girl, what is you doing? But listen, Tori gotta edit videos and pictures, baby. I'm done. I'm a hairstylist. I ain't got nothing else to do the rest of the night. I'm gonna drink and have me a ball by myself, baby. So this my TikTok. Girl, I was just TikToking it up the whole night. Tori was tired of me. Like, for real, for real. I finally took my butt to sleep. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning in the Uber, and we gotta catch this flight at 8:40, and we going to LA. Yeah, I thought I was going home, but the money keeps calling. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.